Hey folks, okay then, so here is how to affiliate and join the RowAlong team. Now, you need to go to the logbook first, so Concept2 Logbook into Google if you can't remember the web address, which is log.concept2.com. Now, you click sign up for a new registration if you're not there already. Now, I'm going to give this the name of one of my cats. Sadly, it's the only one I've got left after poor wee Aussie left us earlier on this week. So give a name, give an email address, and then think of a username and think of a password. Make sure it's one that you can remember, and then enter in your various details as to gender and where you live and stuff. And this does make a difference when it comes to your ranking. So do put this in accurately, okay? I'm just flying through it here. No, she wasn't born in 1906. I'm just flying through it here just to try and show. Now, if the name's already taken, you'll get the username's already taken. So do something to change your username, add in your password again, and then you're good to go. And then this will take you to your profile page if you've only just registered. So go to Edit Profile, and then under Affiliation, you will be able to join a team. So just click on No Affiliation, type in RowAlong, and there I am. It all pops up nicely. Click Update, and that will then have your affiliation set to RowAlong. Now click Teams up at the top, and it will then open up a page where you're able to join a team. So again, go to your team and then type in RowAlong, and there you go, join team. So it's simple enough. I do suggest doing both parts of it because depending on what the challenge is that month, then sometimes it's different whether you are affiliated or whether you're a member of the team, okay? So it's best to do both, and that way any meters that you row will then add up to the RowAlong total. Now, if you already have a logbook account, then it's obviously not going to go into that edit profile page automatically. So go up to the top right-hand corner where you can click on your little person icon, and that will then let you choose edit profile. Thanks very much. Now make sure and row some meters.